This is a story about two post it notes that launched a company. It starts at Northwestern University in Evanston, Illinois, where I was a grad student. And we brought in some undergrads and asked them, "What is your biggest fear about money?" We heard from people who were worried about how much they were spending on takeout food, which makes sense. A few others were already thinking about how they were going to pay back their student loans, which also makes sense. But there were two more that really shocked us. I don't know who wrote these, but someone said, being trapped in poverty, and someone else said, struggling my whole life. It's important to say two things here. First, Northwestern is a pretty good school. You'd think that the people graduating from there have their whole lives ahead of them and feel confident about their futures. And secondly, this was 2019, before the pandemic, before the COVID recession, the before times. I think we can all agree that in the years since then, our financial worries have only increased. And I don't know who wrote these, but as an older sister, I was pretty shocked to read them. And that made me think, back in 2019, that we've got to do something better to help young people. We've got to do something more because to have college seniors thinking about this as they head off to graduation is not okay. My company is called Brightfin, Bright for optimism, Fin for finance and money. Since then, we've built one product, pivoted, built a second product, launched it on the App Store, and now we're rebuilding the part that I think is most interesting, which is social finance. And we're doing that for middle earners rich in time. So if you are young and middle class, follow me. Let's figure it out.